The Era 1 police are seeking the public's assistance to find a man who they believe can help in the investigation of the murder of 65-year-old American tourist Theodore Walling on Wednesday, March 4th. Walling was found dead about 9:45 a.m. in his room at Hotel Glorianna on Godfrey Boulevard in Montego Bay, St. James. The body was found on the floor with multiple stab wounds. On Friday night, through Twitter, the police released picture of the man who is believed to be able to assist them in their investigations of Walling's death. The police also asked him to turn himself in immediately. At the time of the murder, the police said it is believed that Walling knew his killer, as there was no signs of forced entry to his hotel room. Walling, a quality control inspector from Michigan in the United States, was a frequent visitor to the island and had a love affair with Jamaica. He posts frequently about the island on his Facebook page, and even changed his status on February 25 that he had moved to Negril. When he was asked if he was staying in Jamaica, he replied, "Should I?" Persons who may be able to identify the suspect shown in the photograph are being asked to contact lawmen in Era 1 at 876-954-3222, the Mobay Criminal Investigation Branch at 876-952-6391, or Crime Stop at 311. In addition, the individual is being urged to turn himself in immediately. Persons are being reminded that harboring a fugitive is a crime offense from which they can be persecuted.